Hello, everybody. This week we are talking about Epoc, which is also known as excess post-exercise oxygen consumption. Sounds a little trickier than it is. All right, so this is also known as our afterburn effect. So after you do a hard workout, it's how your body feels for the minutes after, sometimes the hours after our workout. So when we're thinking about Epoc, it has to be after an intense exercise, an intense workout. So you would be in the orange or the red zone. The RPE scale would be like a 7 to a 10, and then your talk test would only be like 1 to 2 words. Okay, if we're in that super intense zone, you're going to have this longer afterburn effect. All right, exercises that have higher Epoc results are interval workouts, tempo workouts, and circuit training. And we'll throw some heavy lifting in there as well. If we work out at a high level consistently, it's going to help with our calorie burn over time, which is also known as our metabolism. And we will talk about that. So Epoc is the amount of oxygen that our body is consuming after we exercise. We use more oxygen after we exercise than we do before, which makes sense, right? When we're working out, we're going to need to replenish our bodies. And we're going to burn more calories after our workout as well. So as soon as your workout's over, it doesn't mean you just stop burning calories. You're still going to burn those calories after your workout, depending on how intense that workout was for you. So we get this because our body is trying to return to homeostasis. So you may have heard that word before. Okay, homeostasis is like our baseline. It's where our breathing rate likes to be. It's where our heart rate likes to be, our body temperature, our energy levels. Okay, when we work out, we get our body further away from homeostasis. So we have Epoc in the afterburn effect to bring us back down to homeostasis. Okay, so it wants to decrease our body temperature, replenish our energy, get our breathing rates back down. So like in the step test last week, we sat down after to bring our heart rate back down. Same thing here is happening during Epoc. So you might ask how long it lasts. It just depends. Everybody's different. As you've seen in class, all your heart rates are different as well. Sometimes it can take up to 24 hours to 48 hours after a workout, and sometimes it's only a couple hours. So it depends on the human. It depends on the workout, definitely, and especially the intensity of that workout is going to determine how long it lasts. So, for example, if you're going to do a low-level exercise, let's say you're just going to go on a jog or maybe a bike ride for an hour, super easy bike ride. As you can see on this little graph, 1 hour you're just going steady state, nice and easy. You're probably in the gray, the blue, or the green. Okay, your Epoc effect is going to drop off. It's not going to be that hard because as you were doing that for an hour, your body adjusted to what you were doing. And so it's not going to take very long after to replenish your body. If we did an intense exercise, even for shorter, even for 12 minutes, but we were in orange and red the whole time, our heart rate was going up and down, we were breathing hard, okay, we're going to have a longer Epoc effect because we got to a further distance away from our homeostasis. So again, it's all about intensity, okay, you're going to need to know that, and or how long your exercise was. Whatever your heart rate was, how hard you were breathing, the harder it is, the longer Epoc effect you will have, the further away from homeostasis you are going to get. All right, so how is it affected? Okay, if you're in that RPE zone, 7 to 10, if your talk test is only 1 to 2 words, if you can hardly breathe, if you're in that orange and red zone, all right, and you're doing interval training, tempo training, circuit training, all of those things are going to set you up for a longer Epoc effect, longer calorie burn after your workouts there. So again, just another slide. Kind of a different way to say the same thing. Want to work out intense? Burn more calories? It's a little bit better for us.